Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to set a cover picture or header to your Tumblr application out for your Tumblr account. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to set a cover picture in your Tumblr application for your Tumblr account, I just going to show this video. So I just created my cover picture using the Canva application on the mobile. So I just saved this. So after creating the cover picture, you just need to click on this option called edit option. You can see this icon on the top, this color battle icon. Click on this. So now you have this edit option on the top cover picture. Just click on this. Now you have to click on the choose photo and select the image you just created. So after choosing the photo, you have a three option. You can see it automatically stitched to the header. So if you just turn this on, you can see the difference and show the header image. You can just turn this off or reposition this. So you can just move it and you can just reposition it and click on the apply option and click on the save option. Now your header has been created. This is how you just post or set your cover picture or header picture on your Tumblr application. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.